Hey everybody, Dr. Greg Eckel of Nature Cures Clinic here. I wanted to talk to you about our brain and liver detox. This is a foundational piece that I have put together over 20 years of clinical practice with patients. And it is the starting spot. I use this to clear the debris and really get a clear picture of what is underlying for somebody. You know, like any other filter in your life, if you don't change it, it gets congested and clogged. And that is the liver. The liver filters our blood, and the blood then goes to the brain to feed our brain. So we don't think about our brains as being fat, but our brains are made out of fat, and we store toxins in our fat. A lot of times with neurodegeneration, actually all of the time with neurodegeneration, there is an environmental component. And what we're looking to do with the brain and liver detox is empty out the proverbial cup, right? So you've got genetics in there, you've got your food, you've got your stress, you have environmental toxins. Everything fills up the cup. When your cup runneth over, that's when your symptoms begin. So this is one crucial foundational piece that I have found over the last 20 years, and it is it will move the needle for you. So really, I want you to consider it. It is the first step in the journey back to Wellville. Put this in. Get on the phone with us in the consults and our office hours, and let's do this together. I'm looking forward to it.